Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming device connectivity and enabling discovery. Make sure both machines are on the same Wi-Fi or wired LAN. Open your OS network settings and turn on network discovery and file and printer sharing. Next, pick the specific folder you want to share and apply basic permissions, typically read to view or read/write to edit. Once done, note the shared path or network name so you can access it from other devices on the network. Now configure who can access your share and why that matters. Assign specific user accounts with passwords for accountability, or use link-level permissions for quick access. Make sure to disable broadcast access unless intentional, and prefer authenticated sessions to reduce risk. Adjust your firewall to permit the protocol you're using, SMB for Windows, AFP for older Macs, or NFS for Unix, and specify the device IPs if possible. This balances convenience with security and keeps unauthorized users out. To finish, connect from the client by mapping a network drive or using connect to server with the exact share path. Enter credentials when prompted. Verify by opening, editing, and saving a test file so you confirm both read and write access and correct timestamps. If the share fails, restart file sharing services, recheck firewall rules and network profiles, and confirm the user account has proper permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily ping the host.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.